All right, so we want to prove that if two triangles are similar, then the lengths of the corresponding altitudes are proportional to the lengths of the corresponding sides. So in essence, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH, and AD and FJ are altitudes, then AC over FH is equal to AD over FJ, which is equal to AB over FG, which is equal to BC over GH. So we know that if two triangles are similar, all of the sides, the proportion of the sides share the same proportion, right? But we also want to prove that the altitudes also share that same proportion. So let's go ahead and start this proof. So we know triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH. So, of course, this implies that AC over FH is equal to AB over FG, which is equal to BC over GH, right? So we know all of those sides share the same proportion. And we're also going to use the fact that if these two triangles are similar, then all the corresponding angles are congruent. But in particular, we're going to look at angle B and angle G, right? We know those two are congruent, right? And angle B is congruent to angle G, right? We're also going to use the fact that AD and FJ are altitudes, and this implies that angle ADB, so the measure of angle ADB, is equal to 90, which is equal to the measure of angle FJG, which of course implies that angle ADB is congruent to angle FJG. And that's all we need to show that triangle ADB is similar to triangle FJG, right? So we know that angle B is congruent to angle G, and we know that angle ADB is congruent to angle FJG. So these two things together imply by angle that triangle ADB is similar to triangle FJG. And, of course, since these two triangles are similar, their sides share the same proportion. So this implies that AD over FJ. So this implies that AD over FJ is equal to AB over FG. Of course, you can see that here that AD over FJ is equal to AB over FG, right? And then we're done, right? Because we already had, so we had AC over FH is equal to AB over FG, but AB over FG is equal to AD over FJ, and we knew that these over here were already equal to BC over GH. So we've shown that not only do all the sides share the same proportion, right? The side over side is equal to this side over this side, which is equal to this side over this side, but the altitudes also share the same proportion, right? And that is the proof.